When I first started seeing Dr. Wilson, my quality of life was probably about a 3, and it is somewhere between a 9 and 10 today. I'm very happy to report.
Pretty soon after we started, I noticed some relief in different pains that I had felt in my shoulder and other areas.
Honestly, I couldn't be happier with the services that I've had with him.
Appetite. I wasn't eating. I was losing weight substantially. And the doctors, you know, I went and saw a GI specialist, and they did endoscopy and they couldn't find anything wrong. And they said, well, let's just put you on medication and see if that helps. And if not, come back, we'll put you on more medication. So they were looking at the symptoms and they weren't trying to figure out what the issue or the cause was.
Going to him has really just put my mind at ease, knowing that I'm in the right hands and I can make some suggestions and he'll listen to me and we can together work on the right approach or protocol for healing. So
that I feel so much better about myself, and that I've met someone that truly cares about his patients. And any issue that I'm having, I can talk to him about it. He usually has ideas. And he is such a special person that really cares about his patients. And he continuously is always learning new things and always trying out new things. So even if something doesn't work, he's got some other thing that he can try out with you, and it's very inspiring to be around him as a patient, and it leaves me as a more inspired person.
He's compassionate, he's very knowledgeable, and yet he's got an energetic kind of passion about like what he does. You can tell that he thoroughly enjoys what he does, and that just makes it so much more, you know, enjoyable to come in and work with someone that really wants to be doing this and not necessarily just for a day job. And when I came to him, we had actually worked together to create a plan that would, number one, so he did the whole allergy elimination to find out how many allergens I had. But then we also created like a detox plan to go through and just detox. I've never done a detox before, so we did a natural one that uses oregano and oil and all these different kind of natural herbs. And so that helped to kind of get my body jump started and level set, so that when I started the allergy elimination process that it would take pretty easily.
If you've tried other places that your insurance covers and it is not working for you, then what do you got to lose? You know, it's for me, I work a lot more and I play a lot more, and I seldom get sick. So I don't know, 1 or 2 treatments from Dr. Wilson versus missing a day of work. Is it expensive?
It's your entire life you're talking about and your health, and that's something that I believe is worth investing in. So whatever that's going to take, I think is worth it, just so you can, you know, become your best self and live your best life, whether that's, you know, with insurance or not. Like, it's worth it in the end.
He is reliable, caring. If I need him for anything, he's always there. I've recommended him to so many people, and they've had great results with him. I can't speak any more highly of him. He's fantastic.
I guess when I first started, I thought he was kind of wacky. A little bit like, oh boy, what's this hocus pocus doing, you know? Sure. And you know, like I said, it would have been probably 15 minutes after my first treatment. I didn't even get up to Crosstown, which is only 8 blocks north of here, and I became a believer.
You know, I have had allergies, significant allergies, since I was very little, and I had heard friends that had done like the spot testing on their back or their arm to figure out which foods they're allergic to. And I never wanted to do that because I figured that it would be painful, and I already knew some of the foods that I was allergic to. And with Dr. Wilson, it's completely different. Nothing hurts, nothing is invasive, you're not taking any pills that are gonna have side effects on you. It's all natural, it's holistic, and that makes me feel really good about the treatment that I'm having because I know there aren't any negative side effects to it. So it's all a kind of treatment that you leave feeling better than you came in, and those results actually stay with you for a long time.
I would say he's more than just a doctor to me, and the reason behind that is he's someone that I know genuinely cares for me as a person.
I highly recommend Dr. Wilson for allergy treatment, for light touch chiropractic. Any concerns you might have, if he can't help you, you probably know somebody that can.